Let me show you easily the best phone and tablet stand that also is actually very cheap. So this is what the box of it looks like, not much there. Inside the box, well, we get the stand itself, and this is what the size of it looks like. So it's kind of slim when it's actually folded up. So we can unfold it like this, and we have this like rubber thing over here. So and it actually feels like really nice. So I have the like white version. By the way, this is all plastic construction. I have seen some listings claim that it has metal parts, but no, this is like a plastic thing. So but still the quality actually is like really good, so I really can't complain, especially at the price. So it's really good. So on this device we can adjust the angle like this easily. So so you can see you can adjust it in pretty much any way. So it's actually like really good. So you can stand it like this and stand it upright like this. Also we can extend this as well, as you can see. So we can actually make it kind of tall. So this is the height, maybe some maybe like 25 centimeters or like 30 centimeters this way. So it's like this. So this part over here is actually again plastic. So again, in some listings they try to like fool you that it's metal, but obviously it's plastic. So it's painted plastic, but really I do not have much problems and complaints. Also this like sliding mechanism again is like secure. As you see, you need a bit of force basically. So you do not need to actually be like worried that if you place something like heavy, that it might actually like slide inside. As you can see, if I try to exert some force, you see it doesn't like really slides inside. So it has some basic protection. So it can only be slided inside, if you want that. So again, it folds pretty nicely. Again, as you see, these also fold up, and it actually looks like really cool. So on the back over here, you see you have this kind of construction, and also in the packaging we have this like I guess rubbery feet basically that we can like peel off and attach. So maybe if you want to use it on a slippery surface, I think these are very useful. So you simply peel them out from here and simply attach them over there basically, and then it won't be as slippery, I guess, if you have on a slippery surface. Okay, so let me actually show you what they look like. So this is 6.2 inch phone, so Google Pixel 6, and this is basically what it looks like. So as you see, it's perfect for the pretty much like largest phones, so you can easily watch some movies if you want to. And it basically looks like this. So I can't probably show you that well, but I can imagine. So the only negative thing what I have seen basically, I actually wanted to purchase this thing to basically show like phone like demos basically. So, and if you actually like try to like work something on screen, as you see, it kind of wobbles a bit. But again, maybe you need to install this so it will be more secure. So as you see, basically as I try to touch, as you see, maybe it like like wobbles a bit, but again it's mostly secure. So if you like put it to watch some content only, so it's like perfectly fine. So really no problems. And again, I will actually leave a link where I actually got mine. For example, on the Temu, as you see, it's like less than $3, and same on AliExpress. I will leave a link basically to this exact seller where I got this from. So on the Temu and AliExpress. So simply check the comments and description. I'll leave a link to it. And also obviously we can even like use tablets on this as well. So this is not sure like not sure of the size of this iPad basically, but you see, if I put it like this, still you can pretty much watch everything. And even for tablets, as you can see, it's perfectly fine. So it's probably pushing the limits when you actually use a tablet on this. Maybe you need a slightly larger unit for tablet, but still in emergency, I guess it's okay. So it's mostly meant for phones, I guess. So but for phones, it's definitely absolutely great. So you can easily watch some movies, or do pretty much anything else, or use this in some kind of showcase. As again, it actually looks like really decent, so it looks like premium product actually. So even though it costs like literally like a few cents, as you can see, it even has a spring loaded mechanisms again. So yeah, I'm actually kind of surprised that actually it came in such decent quality. And yeah, overall, I can actually kind of suggest this. So this easily has to be like the cheapest actually decent phone stand. So I have tried some actually like very terrible phone stands. So at this price, really. So I do not know any other phone stand at this price that is actually as decent as this one. So again, mechanism good, so can't really ask for more. Again, basically check the comments and description. I will leave a link basically where I got this exact one from. Anyway, good luck.